Hello everyone. So in this video, we're going to be going through distinct and dropping duplicates. Now there's quite a difference between these two commands. Now the first command, distinct, basically returns all the unique rows inclusive of all the columns in a data frame. This is useful for filtering out duplicates in a data set. Drop duplicates, however, is useful for removing rows in a data set where there's duplicates in a certain criteria. For example, if you just want to get the unique first names, then you would probably want to use drop duplicates. So let's get started with an example. So let's create a data set where we have names of students and their marks that they get in a particular exam. It's a percentage out of 100. So if we run this, we go ahead and create a data frame and we display that here like so. And again, we can see that there is quite a few students whose names have been duplicated, because such as John, which is a pretty common name, as well as Monica, which is a common name, and Abhishek is a very common name as well. And you can see some of the marks have also been duplicated. In fact, we see a John with a percentage of 80, and we see another John with the same mark. So if we go down, what we'll do is we'll run the distinct function and we'll display that. So what this happens, this will filter out the two Johns that had the same mark of 80. Now it'll go ahead and drop one of those. So if we run this, we'll see that we only have one John with the mark of 80 now. Before there was two. So this took into account both of the columns when dropping any of the copies. Now, let's take a look at the drop duplicates. Now, suppose you only want to take into account some columns when you want to use the drop duplicates method. This is what you would use. For example, if you want to just get all the unique marks people scored, you can do this. Marks.df, drop duplicates, and then we pass in the column name, which is percentage, and we display that. What this will do is every instance where you have the mark a mark is duplicated, it will remove that. So we'll run this, and we can see that for one of the Johns, where the mark was 80, one of them has disappeared. And in Abhishek, who got 95, there is only one mark now, which is 95, and that's scored by Avni. So we dropped two rows there by using the drop duplicates function. And that's it. Hope you understand the difference between distinct and drop duplicates now. I'll see you in the next video.